I just got off the Blizzard Bonafide. 5 out of 5 for this thing all day long. It's one of my favorites and one of the most exciting skis out there right now. 98 underfoot, so it's your super versatile dimension. It can go anywhere, it can do anything. It absolutely rails turns on hard pack. It has that finishing power that adds that kind of flair, that excitement to the ski that a lot of other skis don't have. It's real dynamic, super stable. Definitely meant for either your heavier guy or your advanced skier though. It's not something that you want to put an intermediate on and hope they'll do all right. It's the demanding, powerful ski that gives you back everything you put into it.